Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Charger speakers. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal kit, a 10mm socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before beginning any electrical work for safety. Knowing your speaker sizes, typically 6 by 9 inches for doors and 3.5 inches for the dash, ensures you have the correct replacements ready to go. Replacing front door speakers is a straightforward process. Begin by gently prying off the door panel trim pieces with your plastic trim tool, then remove any visible screws. Carefully lift the entire door panel away, disconnecting any electrical connectors. Unscrew the 4 mounting screws holding the old speaker, unplug its harness, and then connect your new speaker. Secure the new speaker with its screws and reattach the door panel. For the rear speakers, you will typically access them from the trunk or by folding down the rear seats. Carefully remove the rear deck panel, which might involve removing a few clips and screws. Once exposed, unscrew the 4 mounting screws holding each speaker in place. Disconnect the old speaker's wiring harness and then connect your new speaker. Secure the new speaker and carefully reassemble the rear deck panel, ensuring all clips are properly seated. After installing all your new speakers, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on your car and test each speaker individually to ensure they are working correctly and sound great. Double-check that all door and deck panels are securely reinstalled, with no loose clips or screws. For an even better audio experience, consider adding sound deadening material to your doors and rear deck, which can significantly reduce vibrations and improve bass response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.